Welcome back to Lessons in Property with me, Steve Hand. So this week I'm going to talk about how to purchase properties that are unmortgageable, that you can make significant profits on. When you're buying a property that is unmortgageable, there's only really two ways that you can buy this. And it's either with cash, which could be your own money, it could be investors' money, and also with bridging finance. These kind of properties fall into a few categories, and the most common areas are failed EPC ratings, so that's energy performance certificate ratings, generally got to be a D or an E depending on where you are in the UK. So if that fails that because maybe there's damp issues or it's just very tired, then you can't get a mortgage on it. So it then falls to people that can pay cash or are happy using bridging finance. Tend to be a little bit more experienced investors. The second area tends to be if a property is dilapidated or it's got structural damage. So that could be anything from damp through to the property needing underpinning, which can be quite severe. Now that puts a lot of people off, but if you know what you're doing and you've got a good builder or surveyor on board, then you can target those properties. The third area is just simply when there's no kitchen or no bathroom. So for a property to be mortgageable, there's got to be a kitchen sink in there's got to be a shower or a bath, it's got to be usable. Both the kitchen and the bathroom have to be usable. So you can target those properties, and it's not that costly to revamp these properties, get it back on the market and make some significant profits. And most people, like I say, they're turned off by properties that need quite a lot of work or that are unmortgageable because they want to put down a deposit and get a mortgage on the rest of it to acquire those properties. So if this is you, get yourself out there and start targeting these properties because that's where the money is. Next time, I'm going to be talking about when speed is essential and how to get around this challenge.